morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, now open page number 7 in your maths textbook. Students, in last video we learned patterns. So today we will learn about the mirror images. Okay, now pay attention in your textbook. Here one story is given, tit for tat. One day Amina met a painter. One day Amina met a painter. Then, can you make my picture? Then Amina tell that painter, can you make my picture? Then what painter said? Painter said, yes, sure, I charge rupees 200 for it. Then what the painter said? That I will charge rupees 200 for it. After a while, the painter showed her the picture. Then painter showed her the picture. Amina says, Amina, how do you like it? What the painter said to Amina? Amina, how do you like it? Amina said, but this is only half. Then what the painter said to Amina? The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Then the painter said that the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Now can I have my money? Then the painter said to Amina that can I have my money? Amina gave him 100 rupees note. After that, Amina gave 100 rupees note to the painter. Then painter said that, but this is only half the money. Then what Amina said, the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Ha ha. Students, this is the story of mirror image. Okay students, now turn your page. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. Okay students, so draw these things with me in your textbook. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a butterfly. Okay, so let's draw another thing. So draw with me like this. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a oil lamp. Now we will draw the another things. Okay students, now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is cat's face. Now we will draw this thing. So what is this? This is a star. Now last picture we will draw. Okay students, so draw with me. So what is this? Yes, this is a fish. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? Here some pictures are given, but we cannot draw these things. Repeat the painter's trick, okay? So write down here. No, for these drawings we cannot repeat the painter's trick. Students, here some pictures are given: caterpillar, cup and flag. But we cannot use the painter's trick, okay? Now next, if you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror house, then he cannot play the trick. Draw 3 more such things which do not have similar mirror house. Students, here you have to draw such things which do not have similar mirror house. Students, this activity you have to draw by yourself in the textbook. Now pay attention on next page. Mirror house. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror house? Students, here some mirror images are given. Here you have to draw the dotted line to divide each picture into two similar mirror house. In this picture, dotted line divide the picture, okay, into two similar mirror house. So we can divide this picture, okay. So write down here, yes, we can divide this picture into two similar mirror house. Now next picture. Students, in this picture also the dotted line divide this picture into two similar mirror house. So write down here, yes. Now next picture. Students, pay attention here. Students, in this picture, here dotted line is given, but it is not the same half parts, okay. So this is not similar part. So write down here, no, we cannot divide these pictures into two similar house. Now fourth picture. This picture also we cannot divide in two similar house. So write down here, no, because it has no similar house, okay. Now fifth picture. Here also dotted line is given. Yes, it divides the pictures into two similar house. So write down here, yes. Now here also dotted line given, but we cannot divide the picture into similar mirror house, okay. So write down here, no. Here B letter is given. Here also dotted line given, but this is the letter B and dotted line is given here and it is divided into two similar house. So write down here, yes. Then this is the letter T. Here also dotted line given and we can divide this picture into two similar house. So write down here. Yes, it can be divided into two similar house. Now pay attention here. See this picture. Here also dotted line given, but we cannot divide this picture into two similar house. Okay. So write down here. No, because these are not similar parts. Now pay attention here. See this image. This is also we cannot divide in two similar house. Okay. So write down here. No. Next picture. Here also dotted line given, and it is divide the picture into two similar house. So write down here. Yes, we can divide this picture. Okay. Now M letter. It also divide the letter in two similar house. Okay. So write down here. Yes, we can divide the M letter into two similar house. Now see this image. Can we divide this image into two similar house? Yes. So write down here. Yes. Now see this image. Yes, it is divided into two similar house. So write down here. Yes. Then next, see this image. Here also dotted line given, but we cannot divide this image into two similar house. So write down here. No, we cannot divide this image into two similar house. Last image. Can we divide this image into two similar house? Yes, we can divide this image into two similar house like this. Okay, now give some more examples. Students, here you have to draw some more images. So draw with me in your textbook. Okay students, so draw with me in your textbook. First row like this. Students, you can use scale. First row, sleeping line, then slanting line, again small, sleeping line and slanting line. Then draw a dotted line here like this. Now we will draw another image. So draw with me like this. Now draw the dotted line like this. Now we will draw another image. Now make a dotted line here like this. Now draw last image like this. Now make a dotted line here. Okay students, so these images we can divide into two similar mirror house. Okay, now turn your page. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar house? Can you see this? So this is a picture of a comb. Okay, now draw the dotted line with me in your textbook like this. Draw the dotted line. Okay, now tell me, would you able to divide this comb in similar half? Yes, we would be able to divide in similar half. Okay, so tick mark here. Now see this picture. This is an envelope. Okay, can we able to divide this envelope into similar half? Yes. So first draw the dotted line here. Yes, we will be able to divide this picture into two similar half. So write here. Now here 8 number. Okay, so draw the dotted line like this. Can we able to divide this number into two similar half? Yes. So yes, so tick mark here. Now this is a picture of a scissor. Can we able to divide this picture into two similar halves? Yes. So first draw the dotted line like this. So tick mark here. Now this is a button. Okay, now draw the dotted line. Can we able to divide this button into two similar halves? Yes, so tick mark here. Then the next, what is this? Yes, teapot. Can we able to divide this picture into two similar halves? First draw the dotted line like this. Can we able to? No, we would not able to be divide this picture into two similar halves. Okay, so put this symbol. Then next, what is this? This is a pencil. Okay, can we able to divide this picture into two similar halves like this? Draw the dotted line. Yes, we would be able to divide this into similar half. Okay, next, what is this? Yes, this is a cup. Now draw the dotted line. Can we able to divide this cup into two similar half? No, so put this symbol. Okay students, now another objects you have to complete by yourself. Okay, now pay attention on next page. Can you guess these letters from their halves? Now tell me, which letter is this? Yes, this is the letter A. So write down here A letter. Okay, afterwards tell me, which letter is this? Yes, this is the letter C. So write down here letter C. Then which letter is this? Yes, this is the letter H. So write down here H letter. Afterwards, which letter is this? Yes, U. This is the letter U. Then next, which letter is this? Yes, this is the letter B. So write down here letter B. And last, which letter is this? This is the letter K. So write down here K. Now, using such letters, we can also make words which have similar house. Okay? Guess the words by looking at their house. Okay? Students, now tell me which word is this? First you have to complete their house. Okay? Like this. So try to make with me in your textbook. Yes, this is the letter H. Then complete this letter. This is the letter O. Then complete this last letter like this. Yes, this is the letter W. Okay. Now tell me which word is this? H-O-W. How? Now next. Which letter is this? Yes, W. First complete this letter like this. This is the letter W. Then this is the letter A. And last, this is the letter X. What is this? Which letter is, which word is this? W-A-X, wax. Okay. Now we will finish this word's house. Okay. So first complete this letter C. Then O. Again O letter. Then letter K. Then E letter, and last letter D. Now tell me which word is this? Cook. Last, which letter is this? Yes, R. Then I, C, and E. Now tell me which word is it? Yes, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Okay students, now turn your page. Making a mask. Students, here this is one activity and you have to do this activity by yourself at home. Now your homework is complete this activity of page number 8, page number 10. Thank you. Have a nice day.